Hello friends, this is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. This is the second part of the video mail merge. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how do we create envelope and print envelope using mail merge. So to do this, we will again go to Mailings tab and select the option that says Start Mail Merge. Here I have the option Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard, which I'll click on, which activates the wizard on the right hand side of my screen. Unlike the previous video, this time we are going to select envelope. Earlier we selected letters to print letters. Now we'll have to print envelope. So I'll select envelope and I'll click on the option that says starting a document. Here in this new screen, I see that it has envelope options, which will help me to select the shape and size of the envelope. Now I'm going to select the size of the envelope. So according to the size of the envelope, you can select the appropriate option. Otherwise, if you have any custom size, you can go at the bottom and you can even go ahead and select custom size. When you select custom size here, you will have to enter the width as well as height of your envelope. Otherwise, you can select the pre-given size, one amongst these. Now after selecting that, here there are two options you have. One is delivery address and the other one is return address. I'll go ahead and select delivery address, and here I can define the formatting of the delivery address. So you can select font. So I select Verdana font, and here I can select the color of the font. Let's say I choose dark green color, although it's your choice what colors do you choose it according to your document templates. I want everything to be in capital letters, so I'll select capital and make it a little bold. And if you want to increase the size, I'll increase the size of the font, which is 14, and now I click OK. This was for the delivery address. Now for the return address, I'm selecting again another font, and this time I make it Arial font. I'll make it Arial black. I'll make that bold as well and make it font size 11, and I click OK. After selecting appropriate size and the font, I'm good to click OK. Once I'm done with that, I'll now go ahead and select recipient. Now this is the same step that we did in the previous video where we added the Excel file. So now I'm going to click on browse and select the sample data, which is located on the desktop screen. So here's my sample data, which I double click to select it, and now I have the data in sheet 1. I'll select that and click OK. Now you will see it is the same screen that we see earlier, where I can do all different kinds of filtering options. Since my data is a perfect data, that I'm assuming that you will also do the same, I'm good to go ahead and click OK. After I click OK, now I go ahead and select arrange your envelope. Now in this arrange your envelope, I am now going to define the details of the recipient as well as the return address. So here I'm writing my address, that is from Pradeep Pardeshi, A203, building name, street name, area, city, pin, state, India. Now in order to write the recipient address, I'll click in the center and add the tags. So first I'll go ahead and click on insert merge field. I'll select first name, give a space, last name. Now I go ahead and select the address, address number 1, address 2, address 3, and maybe the mobile number just in case it reaches at the correct place. So I select the mobile number now. Now just in case if you think that this is not exactly at the center and you need some more space, you can anytime drag this, which is called as indent. Now, if you want to add your logo also to this envelope, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on Insert, Picture, go to the folder that has got pictures. So I'm just selecting one sample picture and I'm going to double click. Now, after importing the picture, you will see that your envelope has completely got disturbed and it is no more the way you want it to be. Don't panic, just resize the logo the way I am doing it. Once you resize your picture to the size that you want it to be, after that, if you're using Word 2013, then you have the option to adjust your image with text right here. But if you're not using 2013, in that case, you can go ahead and select the option position and see automatically it takes the right position. Then you can drag it anywhere you want it to be. Once you're done arranging the picture, now you're good to go ahead. So when I'm done, when I have set this front size of my envelope properly, then I'll go ahead and select the option that says preview your envelope. Now when I click on preview your envelope, you will see that automatically it has taken the details from my Excel sheet, and now I can go ahead and check other recipients, and if all is good, then I'm good to go ahead with complete the merge. Again, you have the same step, that is, go ahead and click on print. Once you click on print, here you have the button which says all, because you want all the data from Excel to be used in these envelopes. And the moment you click OK, it is going to start printing the document. So I hope people you have liked this video, and if you have learned something, please do not hesitate to write your comments on this. Thank you very much. This is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. Take care. Bye bye.